Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1. Story 10. The Crane and the Crab. Level 1. Once upon a time, there was a crane. He lived near a pond. The pond was full of fish. The crane was old and weak. He could not catch fish easily. He was very hungry. The crane thought of a plan. He sat sadly near the pond. The fish asked, "Why are you sad?" The crane said, "A big problem is coming. Soon people will fill this pond with soil. Then all of you will die." The fish became afraid. They asked, "What should we do?" The crane said, "Do not worry. I will take you one by one to another pond. There you will be safe." The fish believed him. The crane took one fish in his beak, but he did not take it to another pond. He went to a rock and ate it. Every day he did the same. Many fish were eaten. One day, it was the crab's turn. The crane wanted to eat the crab too, but the crab was clever. He held the crane's neck with his strong claws. He said, "Take me to the new pond, or I will kill you." The crane became afraid. The crab killed the crane. Moral: cleverness can save your life. 1. Crane, a tall bird with long legs and neck. Example: 1. The crane is flying in the sky. Example 2. I saw a crane near the pond. 2. Pond, a small body of water. Example 1. The pond is full of water. Example 2. Fish are swimming in the pond. 3. Weak, not strong. Example 1. The old man is weak. Example 2. I feel weak after hard work. 4. Hungry, feeling the need for food. Example 1. The dog is hungry. Example 2. I am hungry in the morning. 5. Clever, quick to understand, smart. Example 1. The rabbit is clever. Example 2. My friend is clever in class. 6. Claws, sharp nails of animals or birds. Example 1. The cat caught the rat with its claws. Example 2. The eagle has strong claws. Level 2. Story 10. The Crane and the Crab. Level 2. Once there lived an old crane near a pond. The pond was full of fish, crabs, and other small creatures. In his youth, the crane was strong and caught fish easily. But as he grew older, he became weak and could not hunt for food. He was worried that he might soon die of hunger. The crane thought of a clever plan. He pretended to be sad and sat quietly near the pond. The fish and the crabs asked him the reason for his sadness. The crane said, "I have heard that people will soon fill this pond with soil. If that happens, you will all die, but I can help you. I will take you one by one to another large pond where you will be safe." The fish trusted the crane. Every day, the crane carried one fish in his beak. But instead of taking them to another pond, he flew to a rock and ate them. In this way, he killed and ate many fish. Finally, it was the crab's turn. The crane wanted to eat him too, but the crab was clever. He caught the crane's neck with his claws and killed him. Moral: cleverness and wisdom can defeat trickery. 1. Creature, a living being, animal, or bird. Example 1. The frog is a small creature. Example 2. I saw many creatures in the zoo. 2. Youth, the time of being young. Example 1. In his youth, he was strong. Example 2. My father played football in his youth. 3. Pretend to act in a way that is not true. Example 1. The child pretends to sleep. Example 2. He pretends to be busy. 4. Trust, to believe in someone. Example 1. I trust my best friend. Example 2. The students trust their teacher. 6. Claws, sharp nails of animals or birds. Example 1. The cat caught a rat with its claws. Example 2. The eagle has strong claws. 7. Wisdom, good sense, the ability to make right choices. Example 1. The old man has wisdom. Example 2. Wisdom is better than strength. Level 3. Story 10. The Crane and the Crab. Level 3. Once upon a time, a crane lived near a pond. With age, he grew too weak to catch fish, and soon hunger began to trouble him. To escape starvation, he thought of a cunning plan. He pretended to be sad and sat silently on the bank. A curious crab noticed his sorrow and asked, "Why do you look so unhappy?" The crane sighed and replied, "I heard that this pond will soon dry up. All the fish and creatures living here will die. I am old, but I wish to save you all." The crab became worried and shared the news with the fish. Trusting the crane, they asked him for help. The crane offered to carry them, one by one, to a bigger lake nearby. But instead of saving them, he carried each fish to a lonely rock and ate them. Finally, it was the crab's turn. The crane carried him in his beak, but as they flew, the crab noticed bones of dead fish scattered on the ground. Realizing the truth, the crab used his sharp claws to seize the crane's neck. With one strong grip, he killed the wicked bird. Moral: greed and deceit always lead to downfall. 1. Cunning, clever in a bad way. Example 1. The crane made a cunning plan. Example 2. It is not good to be cunning. 2. Pretend, act as if something is true. Example 1. The crane pretended to be sad. Example 2. Children sometimes pretend to cry. 3. Curious, eager to know. Example 1. The crab was curious about the crane. Example 2. I am curious to learn English. 4. Trust, believe someone. Example 1. The fish trusted the crane. Example 2. I trust my best friend. 5. Seize, catch suddenly. Example 1. The crab seized the crane's neck. Example 2. The police seized the thief. 6. Wicked, evil, bad. Example 1. The crane was wicked. Example 2. A wicked man hurts others. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.